Welcome to the Hughes Studio. This is an installation guide for the 4-in-1 header. You can install these curtains 4 ways with 4-prong pleat hooks, pin hooks, clip hooks, and back tab. First, 4-prong pleat hooks. Each tab corresponds to 1 hook. From the tab in the center, count 3 small pockets to the left and mark where the first prong goes. Then skip a pocket and mark the second one. Repeat the same on the right. Make sure you insert every pocket all the way to the top. Install the rest of your hooks the same way. Then you'll have the pleated curtain look ready to go. Second, pin hook. Insert the sharp ends of the pin hook along the tabs at the back of the curtain. Make sure you mark the location to ensure all hooks are installed on the same line horizontally. Make sure you weave the hook through all the layers of fabric, except the very last layer at the front. Avoid having the hooks stick out from the curtain like this. Third, clip hooks. Clip each hook evenly along the tabs at the top of the curtain. Lastly, back tab. Install the rod directly through the tabs at the back.